Hey guys, so first of all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Second of all, I have a little like showroom gifting thing that I'm going to, and I'm extremely fucking late, so I'm just gonna like do my makeup real quick and scramble together an outfit, and I will be back. I did my makeup and now I have to really fucking quickly make an outfit. I have 10 minutes to leave. Okay, this is the full outfit. I also added some accessories, this little hat, rings, bracelets. And yeah, okay, I have to go like right the fuck now. I think we're like here. It's right next to the Palace, like the club, the Palace. I don't know where the fuck the numbers are. 285, okay, I found it. And I'm like 5 minutes late, so not terrible. Okay. Okay, I'll see if I can film in there for you guys. Okay guys, they said I could film in here, so let me show you. It's really cute. It's literally adorable. I kind of got a lot of stuff, but I'll show you guys when I get home. Okay, so I just got home, took off all my fucking layers. Anyways, so I got a PR package that I wanted to open with you guys. So I'm gonna do that first before I show you all the clothes I got. This is from Teat Moments. They sent me a really cute tote bag. Tell me that's not the cutest fucking tote bag you've ever seen. Wait, that's fucking adorable. Cute little box. Teat Moments. Stickers. Necessity. Cute little note. So they sent me a good amount of stuff. Cute little ring. The camera's over there. It's like not focusing, but whatever, you get it. I want to try it on. There she is. It's really fucking cute. This really cute little necklace. Very pretty. It's so big and chunky. I love it. Very cute. I love this one. Look at that. It's like a bunch of like knots. Very pretty. Now, I'll show you guys. So it was like a bunch, like each rack was like basically a different brand. This one is from Woolhide. I just got this like big knit scarf. I got these pants from La Causa. I tried these ones on actually, and they're like low-waisted on me. And that's the back. That's the bottom. I got, they're like outer stitched, but they're like yoga pants and they're flared at the bottom. So they're very cute. Then they gave me this tote bag. Not a tote bag, a beach bag. It's like made out of towel material from Sand Shaped. This little plain black like cotton dress from La Causa. This little, it's not a swimsuit, it's like, because it's made of towel material, it's made to just like go out and tan or something. It's really cute, and I like the color a lot, so. And then I got these brown sweats. And the final item is this little vitamin C serum elixir thing. I've honestly been sitting here on my bed for a minute on my phone. I posted on Insta, posted on TikTok. Oh fuck. And I have to work. For people who don't know me, I'm a digital designer for an NFT company. So that's what I do. I draw all fucking day, cool little digitals or whatever. I would show you, but legally I'm not allowed to. But they're cool. I have to work on some of that. And I'm procrastinating. I also need to eat, and I also should go to Petco to get my cat a slow feeder bowl, because bitch will fucking eat so fast and then puke it up. Let's go make a bagel. Let's do something, because I'm just sitting here fucking doing nothing. Oh, the Peachsters. She's so cute. I hope I'm not like boring you guys to death with my day. I hope it's been like slightly entertaining, because I mean, if I'm being honest, this is probably like the most shit I'll do in a day, because I'm usually just working all day, drawing and sketching on my iPad. So this has been a way more exciting day for me. In the toaster. I don't think anyone cares, but I'm gonna show you anyways. I just reorganized my cabinet. Look at that. This is my cabinet, and this is my roommate's cabinet. But look at her in her glory. She's beautiful. That's all. Thank you. I have now eaten my bagel, and I was on FaceTime with one of my friends, Jack. And I've decided I'm just gonna order a slow feeder on Amazon, because I don't have the energy to leave my apartment again. So I will be online shopping for the time being. Not that anyone asked, but I'm showing you guys the haul of what I'm getting. I'm getting this to organize my purses, because they're all stuck in a cubby right now. This for laundry, because I'll let you know why. This is my slow feeder for my cat that just is terrible at eating. I'm getting these, but not for shoes. And this for my shoes, and this is just a pill organizer, because my pill organizer is too small and doesn't hold all of my vitamins and pills and shit. I'm being a productive shopper for my apartment. Guys, look who came. My boyfriend. He brought up a package for me, so I thought I'd open it in front of you guys, because why not? Yeah, I can't find the name of the brand. Wiggle Wiggle. It's like a phone case brand, but they sent me some cute phone cases. But this one's kitty themed. This one's a little clown. And this one's a girl that says shit. I need to work and do a bunch of drawings, so I'll probably just give you guys a cute little time lapse. And yeah, see you guys later. I finally finished working. Now I have to go do dishes and cook dinner for me and my boyfriend. I'm so tired. Or at least like my eyes are really tired from like staring at my iPad screen. It's nighttime now. It's like 7:30. So time to... I'm vlogging. He doesn't get it. I'm gonna go do dishes. Okay, so I'm cooking salmon and mashed potatoes for me and my boyfriend. I have like a whole fucking recipe, so all I have to do is follow it and not fuck it up. cloves of garlic.
This feels like freaking so wrong.
Okay guys, I made the sauce and everything, and I've successfully got it all in the pan. Now we're gonna cook it for like 15 minutes. While it cooks, I'm gonna do the mashed potatoes. It's like the pre-made like powder ones.
Lazy.
Yeah, exactly. So here she is. Hey guys, look at her. That sizzle. Mmm. She's magnificent, guys. I'm like extremely proud of myself with the mashed potatoes. Okay, guys, drum roll for the plated reaction. Look at her. It's beautiful, magnificent. And I got Nico to watch Vampire Diaries with me, so hee.
Don't expose me like that, bro. Come on.
So we are going to eat dinner.
Yeah. Hot. Mmm.
Is it good?
Mmm.
Okay, I'm gonna review test myself. Oh, that's good. That is good.
The mashed potatoes are pretty good.
And my potatoes are really good.
Recommend.
Okay, we're eating dinner. Bye. I forgot to film for the rest of the night, but we literally just watched Vampire Diaries and did absolutely nothing. And now we're going to sleep. It's like 11:30, but it's our bedtime. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Thanks so much for watching.